time for a room tour. Sponge. Thank you for the shopping bag. This place is legendary. I have never seen umbrellas in the ponchos inside an hotel, but you know, it's a 5-star hotel. You see how much the prices are, how much hike the prices are. Termine allenamento. Prepare for the toilet. Yes, it is the toilet. Oh, it's what I need after gym. What is this gym? Okay. Okay, maybe it's better taking them the rest. Elevators from Italy is becoming a luxury channel. It's my paradise. Wow. Bacardi rooms. It's what I need. Thank you. To get our bags there. And this is the magnificent room we had. Mexico! Viva Mexico! Wow, it's true leather, true wood, and even true leather there. Not here, but there. True leather. Next videos from Genoa. I think my hair is good for now. Ah! Even a terrace. Oh, open and close lights somewhere. So I have a private terrace. Oh my god. I'm feeling so small in this place. The most luxurious room I've ever had, room 106. I think it's a superior room, I don't know. I bought a nice price overall about 2 or 3 months ago, maybe, to save some money. Enjoy this incredible view of Rapallo, Italy. Well, it's for life. Well, now I'm trying the bed. Number 4, to have some privacy, because I have to get naked in a moment. Okay. Wow, the bed is monumental. I have 3 pillows of very high quality. Okay, maybe the only defect of this bed, you even have a topper, which is good. Okay, trying to rest. Okay, that's it for this incredible hotel room, the best hotel room in my life. Bye bye. I could really sleep here. You know, this place is monumental. I've been in lots of 5-star hotels. I've spent nights in 5-star hotels, but living it a luxurious 5-star hotel is quite an experience, you know. And I'm fortunate to live it in one of the most beautiful Italian places to spend a holiday. See you tomorrow for breakfast. And maybe if I get up at 5 to see the sunrise. These lights. Good night. But before I have something to do.